Hello everybody, here again I am in front of you, Dr. Ravi Kumar from Cell Health Clinic, Dubai. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm happy to announce that we are ready to serve you at our Cell Health Clinic, Dubai. DHA has given an approval to our clinic at Cell Health Clinic, Dubai, Oud Mehta. Our doctor team is ready to serve you. So please, you're all welcome to our clinic. But let me give a clarity today. We at Cell Health Clinic are not ready to address the symptoms of your ailment. We are here to address the root cause of your ailment. For doing that, first we have to understand what is your ailment and educate you. There are no different ailments, please. There is only one disease. There are no thousands of diseases like what the conventional system speaks. We believe there is only one disease, and that is cellular malfunction. Body is made up of trillions of cells. You have studied in school, right? When certain cells does not work as per the instructions of the DNA, cell malfunction happens. So what we do here at Cell Health is understand the reason behind that cell malfunction and try to repair that malfunctioning cell. So what we do? Cell repair. How? Just by understanding the causes of that malfunction. We belong to that fraternity who believes that there is only one disease, cell malfunction. Malfunctioning cell is the reason for any infection in the body. And wherever there is an infection, you give a name to that infection. Hence you're reading or learning that there are thousands of names of diseases. But the only thing happening is, cell is malfunctioning at a certain place, you give a name to that. It is malfunctioning here, you give a name to that. But ultimately, only cell malfunction is happening. And let us repair it. How? By addressing the reasons, the causes behind the cell malfunction. What are the causes? Only two. There are only two causes for the cell malfunction. And they are deficiency and toxicity. Simple. What does that mean? Deficiency of minerals, with deficiency of vitamins, deficiency of enzymes, deficiency of nutrition. And what is the toxin? Too much of poison into the body. We are allowing too much of poison, unwanted elements into our body. Let us detox the body now. Balance the deficiency by adding vitamins, minerals, enzymes and nutrition. And certain medium chain fatty acids like omega-3, fatty acid and very natural lauric acid, monolauric acid, capric acid, caprylic acid, which are all abundantly available in coconut oil, wood and cold pressed coconut oil. Likewise, just add these supplementary support and detox the body. No ailment will be able to survive. And moreover, what are we doing? Keeping the body in an oxygenated state and in an alkaline state, which environment the malfunctioning cell cannot survive. In a nutshell, let me today tell you one thing. What everybody talks spiritually, we are all forgotten gods. There is God within, right? Now let me tell you. No, not tell you, let me remind you. We are forgotten doctors. There is a doctor within. Our body is the best doctor. What we have to do, just allow a doctor within to go to work. Simple. Let the doctor within go to work. You just support the doctor within and allow it to do its work. No ailment will be there in the body. Just give a support. Instead, what we are doing? We are looking for doctors outside. I humbly request you to remember that we are forgotten doctors. There is a God within, there is a doctor within. Allow the doctor within to go to work. Thank you very much.